Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into First Republic Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for First Republic Bank's official website. Once the page has loaded, locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Double-check that both your username and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you've entered your login credentials, click on the Login button. You may be asked to complete a security verification step. Follow any additional prompts to verify your identity. After successful verification, you will be logged into your account. Explore the dashboard to access your banking services. If you encounter any issues during the login process, refer to the help section for assistance. Once logged in, ensure you log out before closing the browser for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.